Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, everybody? I'm smelling a stock. I'm selling the smench of sock. It's coming. What's up, CH? What's going on, Skillful? I saw you in here, my friend. What's up, John? What's up, Nick, the casual guy? Bitcoin looking like it might have a little dumpy dump tonight. We're watching 28,900. That's the previous daily close lows. If Bitcoin closed below 28.9, I do believe that we'll see the carnage that we're all waiting for. All right, so let's find out. Let's find out. Get the fiat ready. Get the tether ready. Get the Luna. Oh, it's too soon. It's too soon. I was gonna say get the Terra ready, but it's too soon for that. But yeah, so that's what we're waiting for. I'll see you guys shortly. What's up, Shep? What's up, Jim Bob? Never trust a guy with two first names. Just kidding. I love Jim Bob. JW, what's up, man? JW sounds like you had a few drinks tonight already. We got the intro for the morning stream, by the way, guys. I'm gonna make a new one for the night stream at some point too. But the new intro for the morning stream will be tomorrow. I think it's pretty funny, but you know, I'll let you guys be the judge. What's up, Steve? Bring the pain. I think people have a lot of pain, man. Get the corn dogs ready? Nah, man, I don't want another one of those corn dogs. Those corn dogs, they were good, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't want to eat those again. At least right now. Maybe someday I will. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, if everyone in here could smack up that freaking like button, all right? I'd like to ask you guys to smack the like button. If you could, if you enjoy the stream, if you're here every single day, you enjoy the stream, you smack that like button. It helps your boy out. I appreciate that. And we'll have some fun tonight, man. The charts, we'll see if the charts look a little red, but we're going to have fun tonight either way. We know here. We have fun even when we have red time. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's up, Seesaw? Seesaw is bullish. Casey, what's up? Good to see you. Where's Carl the Moon? He's not here yet, man. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! Hold on, I gotta grab something. What's going on, everyone? What's going on? 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 We're gonna jump out of here. What's going on, Wes? Cheers to Carl the fool. Hey, you gotta love Carl, man. You gotta love Carl. All right, we're gonna jump out of here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Jordan, your sock is ready. It's ready. Get prepared for the final dump. It's coming. 19,000's coming. Your sock is ready. No. Why are you guys laughing? This is a sock. What do you mean it's big? You trying to call me fat? It's a sock. It's not a shirt. It's not big. It's small. It's ridiculous. I'm trying to do something nice for Jordan. You guys call me big. Screw you. Screw these guys. Screw them. Get me off the screen. Yo, Yo, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. What is going on, everyone? All right, guys. Bitcoin's sitting at about 29, right? about 29,000. So let's see what Bitcoin does next. 29,000. Guys, we have a level that we're going to watch today. Let's just say we're going to watch literally the daily close tonight for Bitcoin, because the daily close, wherever Bitcoin closes tonight, could tell us what the gonna tell us. It's gonna tell. It's gonna. It's gonna tell us what the next move potentially could be for B. Potentially the next move could be for Bitcoin. If we close below. Oh God. If we close below 28,900, which we'll look at, that could mean we have maybe a little carnage coming for BTC. But we will look at whatever. Picture place, please. All right, there we go. I wanted to see if you guys noticed. I wanted to see if you guys noticed that my face was jacked up. All right. Anyways, that's kind of what we're going for there. But anyways. If we close below 28,900, all right, where could we potentially go? And that's what we're going to look at today. We're just going to quickly look at the daily chart to see what I'm kind of talking about here. 29,900 is where our previous daily close lows were. And we've been kind of saying that, we sort of, if we break that, we most likely would come back down and take this wick, right? This is the wick all the way down to 25K in the daily time frame. If we break this, I think there's a large probability, and I think in any ways it's a large probability of Bitcoin coming back down, taking these levels, coming back down to the 25K level, and then continuing back up. Okay, so that's sort of what I'm still thinking is going to happen here. I think we're coming back down to 25K-ish here in the short-term time frames, but I think what would speed it up here is a daily close low, which we're the exact level we're looking at is 28,924. So we want to get a close above there. We're about less than $100 above that, so it's going to be an absolute fight at the close. Sorry, guys, there's an ice cream truck outside. There's literally an ice cream truck outside, so keep that in mind. But that's what we're watching here on the daily close. Now, we know yesterday we broke down from our big bear flag, right? It's sort of a smaller version of the bigger daily time frame bear flag, and we sort of have same thing, like it's a measure move target right to the lows, right? That's the measure move target of this bear flag. If we take the swing high to the swing low, we put it at our breakout point, it's going to put us right at 25,400, exactly where our previous wick was. So a lot of stuff pointing to there. You guys can see we broke down from that actually today in the morning stream. We broke down from that. We actually came back up, tried to get back above the previous lows. We could not. Looks like we got an initial rejection, and now we're looking to come back down to the downside. So I'm still leaning more to the downside here, right? I know everyone is gonna crack me for being a bear. What's going on, West? Jordan is on. Nah, I wanted to see if you guys noticed that my face was all jacked up. But what's going on, West? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, my man. What you guys saying here? Never trust a man with BD. Jordan, we're going to zero. Hey, man. Someone before the stream started, someone in the chat was like going nuts, saying like Bitcoin's worthless and stuff like that. Bitcoin's a scam, but
everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Guys, it might be time to start panicking, guys. It might be time to start panicking. What? What do you mean panic? It's freaking ridiculous. I'm already panicked. Do you see the fear and greed index? We're getting rocked right now. The stock market's getting rocked. Okay? The LMP 400 is getting rocked. Did you see the LMP 400? Like, it's getting absolutely destroyed. You think Bitcoin's gonna... I'm already panicked. This guy's an idiot. The LMP 500 is going nuts. The Lasjack. Did you see the Lasjack? Christ, man. I'm never watching this guy again. He sucks. My freaking own brother. He sucks. You got. Sometimes you gotta ignore Bob, man. Sometimes you gotta. the LMP 500. The LMP 500. But anyways, it's sort of the same thing on the hourly time frame here, right? you sort of still got this symmetrical triangle. You're kind of making higher lows, lower highs. You broke to the downside out of that yesterday, came back up, retested the swing lows, and so far you got rejected. So we're watching the daily close, okay? And yeah, I mean, that's what we're watching today, guys. I mean, if we got some interesting things coming up here in the weekly time frame, we're getting some interesting things coming up here on the monthly time frame. Someone asked for the Bank of Canada, guys. So here you go, man. So we're gonna look at the weekly and monthly coming up quickly. But we got a fight. We got a fight on the daily close tonight, guys. So if you are a bull, let's do this. If you are a bull in the chat, I want you to spam a pickle. Spam a pickle like you never spammed it before. If you are a bear, I want you to spam. Okay, I want you to spam, if you are a bear, spam the teddy bear emoji. Spam the teddy bear emoji. I am going to actually put the teddy bear emoji as well. There you go. So if you're a bull, pickle, bear, teddy bear emoji, let me know in the chat what you guys are at the moment. So we're going to watch this close. It's going to be a fight to the death, man. I mean, the Vikings going to come out. As we get closer to the close, we're going to be bringing the Vikings out. We're going to be fighting with our swords and shields. We are going to be going nuts. Everyone wants me to eat a sock. By the way, guys, I have a bet. If Bitcoin goes below 20K, I have to eat a sock. It's already giving me tingles inside. I don't want to eat a sock, okay? And I really don't. And it would be a shame if I had to eat a sock. It would be very, very humiliating. And, I know you guys would love it, but, I don't want to eat a sock. So the bulls need to step in here at some point, and I can't be the only bull that's buying the dips. You know what I mean? Let's see what we got. I'm seeing a lot of pickles. I'm seeing a lot of bears. I'm seeing some dragonflies for some reason. I'm seeing ghosts. Okay, it's a new one. All right, so we kind of talk about the daily. I mean, there's not too much going on. Listen, like, the indicators aren't really telling us jack squat right now, right? The stock RSI is kind of just chilling right in the middle. We actually could get a cross back to the downside here in the stock RSI and the daily. If we get that cross to the downside, I'd be looking for this to come back down here with the daily price action coming back down to 25K region. So I'm still watching that. I still think that, to me, that is the most likely outcome at this point. I mean, it is what it is. And if you're in seriously in altcoins, I got coffee, by the way, guys, in my 70s mug we've been talking about. For altcoins, if Bitcoin drops there, altcoins are going to get hammered. I think anyone kind of knows that. But we have hope on the longer term time frames, and we're going to look at the longer term time frames and continue to hammer home where we're at based off typical cycles. Okay, and why I still think that we are super, super close to the best times you are able to accumulate BTC and altcoins. So before we do that, we're going to play Bank of Canada, Bitcoin's a scam, while we kick bears in the nuts. Here we go.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study,
you can't even kick bears in the nuts anymore.
Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Think about how big the bear nuts are going to be. Shut up, Canada guy. We don't want to listen to you. Think about how big the bear nuts are going to be when we kick those. They're going to be absolutely huge, right? There's bear nuts. The egos on those bears are going to be huge, and they're going to be so ripe to kick when we can kick them. We can't kick them right now. My nuts are actually getting a little hairy. I think I'm turning into a bear. I actually do think I'm turning into a bear. It's kind of weird. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I think I'm turning into a bear. Scheisse, I'm turning into a bear. Shit. Oh! It's not a freaking bear. It's not a freaking bear. The bulls are about to do the Hulk smash on all you bears. The arm looks like a dick. All right, anyways. I'm going to get off that. Alt will be hammered, but we'll bounce back hard back up. Exactly, Wes. Exactly. We're gonna go over that right now. But, in reality, let's see. Clint's ready for that chin. All right. Hold on. Let me go over here. Demonetized today. Every day we get demonetized here. Okay, let's continue on. So, Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. I'll continue to hammer home between the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA is the best places to buy BTC, okay, based off history. If you've been following my channel, I've been telling you this consistently. Just go back in the past. If you buy anywhere near the 200 SMA, anywhere really at the 200 EMA, you can even get away buying at the 200 EMA. You'd be absolutely successful at that time, right? Back in March of 2020, you bought anywhere near these two moving averages. You absolutely killed it when the price went back up. That would be the equivalent of you buying at 6K and 5K. I think you'd still be pretty happy if you bought at 6K and 5K right now. You'd still be up close to 6x at this point, right? If we go back over here, back in 2018, if you bought Bitcoin between the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA, you'd be buying it between 3K and 4K. You'd be pretty happy if you bought BTC between the 3K and 4K level, right? Back here. It's not fully over here, but if you bought BTC between 300 and 250 and 200 in the 2015, you'd be pretty freaking happy. I'm going to continue to stand by that, and it's not the only reason why I think Bitcoin's near a bottom. I don't think it's at it yet, but I think it's near it. I think the bottom will be the 200 SMA, and I'm going to stand by that based off previous price action, okay? It's still a pretty far ride down. I just want everyone to realize, like, the 200 SMA at 22K doesn't sound like a lot, but that's still about a 24% drop down. And I just want everyone to be prepared. If Bitcoin was to do that, which I don't know 100%, right? No one knows. Altcoins will drop significantly. So I just want everyone to be prepared for it and not like be panicking. Oh my gosh, right? Bitcoin drops 25%. Altcoins are dropping another 50, 60%. I don't want everyone to be like, oh my gosh, like scrambling around like with their heads like they're cut off by chickens, right? Just be prepared for that. Okay, because in reality, if that was to happen, that's what would happen to alts. Alts would go down another 50, 60, 70%. So be prepared for the worst. We don't know if it's going to happen, but be prepared for it. And if you're prepared for it, you won't be shocked if it does happen. Okay? Because I don't want to hear the crying and the woozing if Bitcoin does drop lower. Okay? I don't want to hear the crying. I don't want to hear this and that and this and that. Okay? I don't want to hear it. Okay? We've been talking about this. We can expect it to happen. You won't be surprised if it does. All right? I'm going off right now. I'm sorry. I'm going off. But I'm serious. All right. Not only that, okay, just to quickly go over the weekly time frame. Right now, I watched Ben Cowan's video earlier. There's still the possibility of some running flat correction. I still don't think that makes a ton of sense unless we see Bitcoin just have a quick wick down to the 200 SMA and then recover. I don't see that running flat, not the running flat, the extended flat really being an option where you kind of get the double top and then a lower low, sort of like this, boop, 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 a lower low, and then a continuation back up in some major bull market. I don't see that as being terribly likely at this point. I kind of agree with Ben on that one, but that still is a possibility. I mean, for that to play out, you would need just a quick wick to the 200 SMA, once again, which is at 22K. So just wanted to point that out, that I guess it's still, technically a possibility, but I don't think it's very likely at this point. The weekly RSI, okay, and this is another one that gets me slightly excited, right? When the weekly RSI gets to close to a 30, that is the best times to buy BTC, right? March of 2020, it didn't even reach down there, and it bounced, okay? 2019, or I guess December 2018, you got to a 30 on the RSI. That was the exact bottom for BTC, right? Let's go back in the past. Right? Right here, when you dropped below, when you drop below a 30, okay, and right here in 2015, that was this major move down. That marked the bottom in 2015, all right? So we're getting to that point where we're pretty freaking close where typically the bear markets did stop in the past. Now, past results don't equal future results. This is a different market, We're in the middle of a recession. People are saying a recession is coming. I believe that we're already in it at this point. Usually when people say that it is coming, we're already in it. So take that to the bank, right? Take that to the bank. A recession? Oh, okay. So first, so you're gonna tell me this. First, we get this sickness that spreads around the earth, okay, out of nowhere, from friggin' China, and then we get this war. It's like, and we get this crazy guy over there, and now We got a recession? Like, how am I supposed to get out of this basement? Like, it's ridiculous. I'm tired of eating meatloaf. How the hell am I supposed to get out of here? What is this world? Christ. Oh my God, like, what? How am I supposed to get out of this? I'm 35 years old and I live in my freaking basement. Christ, man. It's ridiculous. I gotta go take a shit. I'll be back. All right, but no, in all seriousness, man. I mean, listen, like, it is different times, so take that for what you will. But you know, I'm sort of say the same thing. Say the same thing. Oh man. All right, 12K. Who thinks Bitcoin's going to 12K? All right, does someone think that Bitcoin's actually going to 12K? Does someone actually think that? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. In the chat. All right. Anyways, now that we move on here, make a house out of meatloaf. Michael said, "What the f am I watching?" You are watching the best crypto stream in the game, man. Right? Because I don't try to act like I know what I'm talking about, and I have fun. Does anyone else do that?
Nope.
Okay. Everyone else acts like they know what they're talking about. Do they? Okay. We have fun here. That's what we do. So you either stay or you get out of here. Okay. That's what I live my channel on. You stay or you get out of here. No. No. Most people are saying no. With my luck, probably 12K. Nice. Basement boy. You gotta love Basement boy. Good chance of 10.5. Oh, God, man. 10.5 because this whole 85% drawdown. We'll ask BitBoy about the 85% drawdown in a second. But, you know, it is what it is. All right. Let's continue on. So let's go look at the monthly price action. What's going on, Lewis? Good to see you, my guy. Good to see you, my guy. Hope you're doing well, man. Louis said, is this a crypto channel? It is a crypto channel, okay? And, you know, if you don't want to watch, you can go somewhere else, my guy. There's plenty of people you can go watch, okay? You can go watch Frankie Candles talk about the freaking market cipher the whole time, okay? You can do that. What's going on, Alpy? All right, continuing on. Monthly RSI. Listen, I'm gonna keep it simple here, man. Monthly RSI is now in our box, in our golden buy box. Okay, it's not some huge box. Okay, it's not some huge box, but it is a little bit of a decent box. So here we go. So same thing, man. Whenever the monthly RSI drops below about a 48, that has been the best times to buy BTC. Listen, like, some of this stuff is very, very elementary. I'm not going to act like this is like some groundbreaking TA. This is very, very simple stuff based on, you know, what we've kind of done in the past. But, you know, to be honest, like, this is what I'm watching, man. And this is what I'm banking on, right? 22K and up, I'm going balls to the wall. If we drop lower than 22K, I will, one, have to eat a sock, and I'll be down in all my DCAs. Will I care? Absolutely not. I will live my life and wait for the prices to go up past that level. Okay? It is what it is. It is what it is. And I know, and I'll be happy, even if the price goes lower than 22K, I will be happy knowing that I will still get in at lower prices than about 99.99% of people in this world. Why? Because even if Bitcoin goes below 22K, most people will not have the balls to buy down there. Okay? Bitcoin will eventually bounce back, and by the time it bounces back, it will be higher than 22K. Right? You don't think about that now, but it will be facts. Okay? It will be facts. Right? I mean, I always like to use the example, when did all you guys get into crypto? Let me ask. Because if it was so easy, you guys would have gotten in 2018, 2019, and 2020. But I would say 95% of people in the chat got in 2021, 2022, okay? And there's a reason for that. There's nothing wrong with that. I got in the top in 2017. That's what it is, man. Everyone gets in at the top. But there's a reason for that. Exactly. That's my point. That's my point. Some people didn't know about crypto, or they heard about it during the 2017 pump, but then they said, screw this, it's going back down. I'll just get in when it goes back up next time. Right? That's my point. You're either going to forget about it, or you're going to FOMO when the market goes back up. Not the right time, St. Anderson. Nice. Salty trolls. No, there's no trolls in the chat, man. Everyone's cool in the chat today. Everyone's very, very cool in the chat today. Look at everyone cool in the chat. Carl said last week. Nice, man. Listen, everyone gets into crypto at a top. I mean, it is what it is, bro. Everyone gets in at the top. Like, did anyone get in crypto during during a bear market? If you did, you lucked out. Like, you killed it. But did anyone actually get in at the lows? I don't think so. I don't think so. Because why would you? If you're a newbie, you don't want to buy when the prices are going down. If you're a newbie. Right? Bear before the crypto bulls. Nice. Pull that. So many liars. Rodney said, I love you, brother, but this is going to the low teens. Rodney, I love you too. But I remember last summer, Rodney, when you were saying the same thing. Okay? So, hey, I think it's like, I think it, not it's likely. I didn't mean to say it's likely. I think it's possible. But it is what it is. Let's see. I feel cool now. There you go, Ryan. Ryan feels cool. Who's having a great day in the chat, by the way? Who is having a great day? Bitcoin kind of holding on by a tight rope right now, 28,900. It's holding the tight rope, right? We want to get that daily close above 28.9. But I want to know who in the chat who's having a great day. Are you having a great day? You having a bad day? This is going to be a fun close, man. I mean, it depends on what your definition of fun is. Like, if you're a holder and you don't mind the prices going lower, it might be fun, right? If you're a holder and you're like desperate for the prices to go up, it might not be fun. If you're a bear and you want the prices to go low, it might be fun, right? Have you decided what sock you're going to eat? Yes. I'm going to eat an ankle sock to get the, because I didn't specify what sock. I'm going to get an ankle sock, baby ankle sock, so it's small. I'm gonna use my brain here. I'm gonna use my brain. Demetrius, thanks for that, man. The Falcon. I'm a bear just to accumulate enough to bull correctly. Me too, man. That's why I'm bearish right now, man. Because at this point where we are, just go lower, right? Just go lower so I can accumulate. Like, I would rather just have another couple months to accumulate, if I'm going to be honest. I mean, even longer than that's fine. At cheaper prices than us to go in a bull market right now, right? Because I know if you accumulate during these bearish times, you're going to make more money when the prices go up, right? So to me, it's a win-win. We go up, I'm happy. I got my bags loaded. We go lower, I'll just add to those bags, and I'll make more money when the prices go up. And that's the way you should look at it, guys. You know, either way, it's a win-win. It might, you know, obviously everyone wants short-term pleasure, and it's kind of the world we live in, right? Short-term pleasure over long-term gain, but you know, you got to look at it in both ways. All right, 28,779. Here we go. Are we going to see that move down? Like I said, we're looking for a daily close below 28,924. If we get that daily close below 28,924, I do believe Bitcoin will be coming to test this wick, this little wickaroo down here. Back down towards 25,500. All right. The election is going to be low of the year. Okay. Eating a sock isn't really possible. Yeah, I'll probably just chew on it. We'll see, though. Let's see. What's going on, Squirt? Good to see you, man. Squirt. Such a little squirty. It's a little squirty squirt. Little squirty squirt. Strap up! We're going to the moon! Where's George? I'm gonna plunge his ass! Strap! George! George! Strap up! We're going to the moon! That's what George told me! Freaking where's George? I'm sticking this plunger up his ass. Where is he? Where is he? Where's George? I'm not George. He's George. Oh, God, man. Jimmy. Jimmy's gone nuts. Jimmy's taking steroids so he can kick George's ass. All right. George, you just got to stop being bullish. That looks like the alien out of Men in Black. It does. All right, 28,777. So it looks like, all right, here we go. Let's go back over here. What's going on, Demetrius? Bitcoin gump up. Let's see. I will pay for this equivalent of people for ads. What's going on, Miller? Appreciate that, my man. Wes said if it goes to 12K, I will... Wes said if it goes to 12K, he's going to jerk off on live TV. Okay. Wes, if you want to do that, man, I mean, listen, that's worse. That's worse than my, I don't know. What's worse, jerking off on TV or eating shit? I don't know. I don't know. Demetrius said you have the best show, man. A lot of laugh. Thank you, Demetrius. Thanks for hanging out, man. Thanks for hanging out. We try to have fun even though the price is dumping. I mean, it is what it is. That's what we do. You need to make a movie? Oh, God. That would be funny. That would be really funny. All right, so we still, I feel like the stream's going by slow. We still got 30 minutes until the daily close, so, it is what it is. Let's go back over to the, man, the weekly looks like absolute dog shit. All right, but the monthly, all right, if there's other things we could take from the monthly time frame, like we're still sitting right at this wick. You know, I'm not going to take too much about the monthly because we still have like 2 weeks left to go in sort of May here. So I'm not going to spend too much time looking at it, but, preferably on this, I would like to hold this wick low. If you don't hold this wick low, I mean, the monthly's looking a little shady, right? Looking slightly shady here. I figure if you look at it, you have a wick low and a monthly close sitting right here at like 28.9. Actually, the level we're literally talking about right now, 28.9. Is that wick low and that previous monthly close low. I mean, other than that, man, I mean, you're looking at, the next close, which is right actually, funny enough, like right close at 20K, 19,700. So we're talking sock zone. I don't want to go down there, but that would be the next monthly candle close, which is interesting. That's just a quick side note. Quick side note there. Other than that, let's go check out Ethereum. You guys can see ETH is breaking that lows, man. So we know Bitcoin's breaking the lows. We got ETH breaking the lows right now. You guys can see that previous daily closed lows. You got Ethereum dumping below there, 1917. ETH is looking to come down here. ETH has broken support. Adios. Breaking support, man. All the negativity says the bottom is near. Oh, dude, I don't know about that, man. 1916. Here we go. Here comes ETH. If we're going down there, I wish it would just happen. Yeah, me too, man. So 1700 is the wick. 1700 is the wick. Fill my orders, please. Where are you guys buying ETH? Does anyone have buy orders on ETH? What are you guys doing for Ethereum? ETH gets the daily close below 1951. ETH is looking slightly shady at the moment. I mean, all alts are going to look the same, but ETH and Bitcoin actually, funny enough, actually look slightly worse than altcoins at the moment. We'll look at other alts in a second. Bitcoin 28,815, still waiting for that close, 28 minutes, but we'll go back to that. Yeah, I mean, it's really 1700 is the level I'm looking at for ETH if that breaks to the downside, guys. As crazy as that sounds. As crazy as that sounds. Clint said, can you cup and handle my balls? I promise to... I'm not going to read that second part. Oh, my God. Shouldn't even read the first part. No, Clint. I will not wick you to the upside. Sonny said, DCA without taking profit is the dumbest strategy ever. I would disagree. I would slightly disagree. Obviously, like I said, in 2021, my biggest lesson was to take more profits, right? I have stated that consistently. You got to take profits. Okay? That's my biggest lesson in 2021, was to take more profits. Now, I took a lot of profits. It actually didn't sound like I took a lot of profits, but I took a good amount of profits out of Cardano, which was a lot at the time when Cardano was at $3. But yeah, I wish I took more at the top, man. I mean, you can only learn from your mistakes, right? You can only learn from your mistakes. It is what it is, bro. That's my biggest lesson. That's literally my biggest lesson. I have no problem buying low. Buying low is easy for me, right? Because I understand. But taking profits, still something I have to work on. We can't go to the moon without a happy ending. Nice. Matt said, great day over here. Got some free bookshelves. Nice, man. Never seen anyone got happy over bookshelves. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Uh-oh, guys. I hear the war horn coming on. Vikings! Ethereum bulls! Bitcoin bulls! We must fight on this daily close. This is the biggest daily close that we've ever seen for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Push the bears back! As I choke in my phlegm. Yes, I am a leader as I choke on my phlegm. Okay? Do ignore my phlegm. I want all you guys to spam the swords. Spam the shields in the chat. And we will push back the bears back to the land that they deserve to be in, which is Savvy Land. Spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat. If you can't find the swords and shields, just type swords and shields. Thank you. As I choke in my phlegm. I love talking like that. No, seriously, guys. That's I told you guys, that's the level we're fighting for right now. 28-9, and we're sitting at 28-9, literally at the Jamaican Viking. I don't think he sounds Jamaican, man. I don't think so. I love it. There's all the swords and shields in the chat. I love it. Sword and shield, there we go. No one joining the fight. Look at what it's showing. That's it. He said no one joining the fight. That's funny. I think we're all on the bear side, man. We got crabs. We got socks. No one's joining the fight. Everyone's looking at it like, I don't want to join that fight. What's Jabba doing? I'm not fighting. I want the price to go down. I'm not fighting. No, I'm not. I'm not fighting either. If Jabba's not going to do it, I'm not doing it. Like, who do you think I am? A slave? Like, I am not going to fight if Jabba's not going to do it. I'm not that, okay? There's no volume! I'm not going to fight! There's no volume worth fighting for! Don't even look at me! I'm gonna kill George! That's the only battle I'm fighting. Alright, there we go. Being a movie. No, man. Not being a movie. 28,834. So, there we go. Everyone is just looking at the carnage. The carnage, man. The carnage. Absolute carnage. Everyone wants to buy lower. No one wants to fight. All right, so let's continue on. Kind of like we talked about this morning, man. We talked about these little, these little rising wedges on the stock markets. The NASDAQ rising wedge played out perfectly, exactly as I predicted, to the downside there. Shout out to Carl the Moon. Just missing my Bybit link. If you guys want to use my Bybit link, links in the description. Carl's going to tell you all about it here just in a second. Here you go, guys.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link, Bybit link.
We know! You like Bybit! There you go. Here's my Bybit link in the description. Thank you, Carl. But yeah, rising wedge, breakout to the downside. We actually passed the target, so that's just on the 1 hour time frame. But the stock market's dropped a good amount today, and Bitcoin kind of held up. I don't see it continuing to hold up. I think Bitcoin's gonna drop here after hours. I mean, after hours for this, I guess, for stock market, but not for Bitcoin. So yeah, the Nasdaq dropped out of that. The S&P also did the same. Pretty big red day for the S&P. Which also dropped out of a rising wedge itself. I don't have it drawn completely here, but just you guys can trust me on this. Just trust me. Just trust me. No, I'll draw it for you. Rising wedge here on the S&P also broke to the downside, so that played out exactly as I predicted. But I'm just messing around, guys. I don't try to predict these things. I just tell you guys what I see. I'm not longing and shorting and telling you guys that I made 100x on my long leverage position, but it's okay. Yeah, so that broke to the downside there, same as the Nasdaq. So decent move down. I still think this comes down lower going into tomorrow, I guess Thursday. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin to the downside. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. 28.7. It's holding on by a thread here. We're coming to these previous lows back from May 22nd. Actually, not May 22nd. It's not even May 22nd right now. May 14th, 2022. So we're coming back down to those lows. Let's see if this plays out. I mean, there's two scenarios here, right? You had this wick here on the hourly time frame. It could just be taking this liquidity on the hourly, come back down, close here. I mean, the bullish scenario is a W reversal back to the upside where it just took this wick and it continues up. The bearish scenario, like we said, is it is a close below the previous low here. That could definitely be continuation. And to be fair, I mean, the daily, even if the hourly looks okay, the daily's looking a little shady here, even if the hourly holds up, because you're going to get this lower low on the close, and it's not what you want to see in the daily. So a bunch of different things going on here for BTC and ETH, and yeah, I mean, the daily's looking a little shady. Let's find out. 23K Bitcoin, it dipped to 0. It's GTA where you mic'd up and you roleplay your character. True. What's GTA roleplay? That sounds very, very naughty. That sounds very naughty. I haven't played GTA. I can't tell you the last time I played GTA. I haven't played GTA in, man, I want to say since I was maybe like 23. Maybe 22. It's been a long time. I think the last time I played GTA was when I was in college, actually. Maybe I was 21. What's up, Richard? All right, so bearish on tank top streams, short-term value. The tank top streams. Usually they are good luck, but yeah, it wasn't good luck this morning. I'll say that. So did I wear a tank top this morning? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. In case you guys missed it, I did finish up the morning stream intro. I think it'll be pretty funny. I think you guys will like it tomorrow. So tune in at, I'm not leaving yet, but tune in at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow if you guys want to catch the morning streams. I've been doing it every day during the week lately. I enjoy it. I like waking up and drinking coffee and just hanging out. It's not as like animated as the night stream, right? I'm still waking up half the time, but it's more of just a chill and hang out. But yeah, the intro is done on that. I think it's pretty funny. You guys can tell me what you think tomorrow at 9 a.m., right? So that is that. What else we got? Total market cap. Total market cap also looking to pierce the daily close lows at $1.222 trillion. Looking to pierce those lows too. So same thing for total market cap. Do we potentially come back down and take this wick on total? Would be maybe some carnage. Maybe some carnage, man. 11% move down to the downside. Let's find out. Let's find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Rising Wedge. The fear is 10. I think the fear today... No, dude, I'm going to say the fear is going to be worse because you had the stock market dump today. I'm going to say the fear is going to be a 9. What's your guys' prediction on the fear and greed index? Let's look at this poll. Will Bitcoin hit 25K again by Sunday? 68% said yes. Holy majoli, man. People are bearish as heck right now, and, I guess you can count me in. 25K again by Sunday. So we got 4 days, get to 25K. I think there's a good chance. I think there's a very good chance that could happen. We heading under 1 trillion? We'll see. I'm going to say a 9. I'm going to say a fear and greed index is going to be a fat 9. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Not like it really matters. I mean, it doesn't really matter at this point. I mean, it's so low, it doesn't matter. 8. Grabbing balls, Z. Grabbing balls, Z. Glad I'm not invested in Walmart. What happened to Walmart today? Got absolutely destroyed. What else we got? What else we got? Let's go. What else we got? I actually saw this today. I saw this. I haven't really been paying attention too much to this. At least the chart. Like, I know what it is, but obviously the inflation rate in the U.S. What's interesting is, look at this. Is this a coincidence, or is this shit controlled? Right? I mean, I'm not going to go into this conspiracy theory shit, but how much of a coincidence is this? That since really 1920, okay, that the inflation rate has topped out at a perfect trend line. 1, 2, 3, and I don't know if it's topped out right now, but we'll find out soon. 4. Is this a 2 doesn't mean anything. 3 is a trend. 4 is a little shady. Is this a coincidence or is this planned? You can't tell me this is a coincidence, man. You cannot tell me that this is a coincidence. Is this gonna break or is inflation topped out? That's what we'll find out, man. Like, you know what I mean? Like, look at this, man. So in 1920, inflation topped out at 24%. In 1947, it topped out at 20. In 1980, it topped out at $15. And look where we're now. Just casually, everyone's getting super fearful. We're sitting at 850, right at the perfect trend line. Come on, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. You can't tell me that's not just a coincidence, bro. You can't. 4 is a pattern. Exactly. 4 is a pattern. I get it. If it was 3, it would be a little shady. But 4, that's a pattern. I'm telling you. Can't be a coincidence, man. Can't be. The chart goes way back. It goes way, way back. I didn't find this, by the way, guys. I saw this. I forget where I saw this. But I saw this somewhere today. I didn't find this, by the way. So I'm not going to take credit for this. But it's very, 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 very interesting. Very interesting. And it's something I'm going to keep an eye on because it's ridiculous. It's literally ridiculous. And if the trend line breaks, well... Well, we'll find out within the next couple, I guess you could say the next couple months we'll find out, right? So we'll watch that very, very closely. All right. So I guess we'll hang out and watch BTC. I mean, we're 14 minutes into the close. Unless you guys want to look at any altcoins, let me know. But we'll kind of just hang out, watch BTC. If there's any interesting things you want to talk about, you got any interesting patterns or topics you guys want to talk about, let me know. Just let me know in the chat. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Yeah, if you guys could, I hate asking for likes, man, but it really does help out the stream when you hit that like button. And, I'll ask you guys once. If you could smack up that like button, it's freaking awesome. You guys are the best. Seriously. The whole Cadena, we can look at Cadena. I'm just going to rip through some alts that you guys put in the chat today. Unless there's anything you guys really want to talk about. Let's see. So, yeah, KDA 230. I mean, I'm going to base everything off where I think Bitcoin's going to go. So, I mean, if KDA, already went down to 136, and that was the last time Bitcoin hit 25K, your best bet it's at least going back down to that level again if Bitcoin goes to 25K. Okay, if not lower. So I think that would be the area I'd watch at 137. That's if Bitcoin takes the wick, which I do think it will at 25K. So 137 is the first level. I mean, if that breaks, I mean, you're looking at the next highs, you know, back down to 88 cents, which sounds crazy, right? KDA below $1, but, you know, it could be in the cards depending on how low Bitcoin goes. So those are the two levels I watch from there. You get the daily stocks crossing to the downside, right off the 20 EMA. It just looks like it wants to come right back down, right? The hope for the bulls would be the classic W reversal, right? Where you simply just come back down, test, come back up, come back down again, test, and come back up. Classic W reversal. That's the hope for the bulls. But right now, you know, we got to sort of watch to see what happens next, right? What's going on, guys? It's Rover. It's Rover. I'm super excited. Do not listen to this guy, Jordan. Okay? He doesn't know what anyone's talking about, guys. We are super bullish, guys. We are in a bull market. Okay? My name's Rover. If you haven't met me yet, you guys need to subscribe to my channel and use my Bybit link down below. $4,100 bonus. Okay, let's jump on into the chart. So you guys can see that KDA is super bullish right now. It just made one low, and now it's in a giant bull flag. Let's try to make some bull flag out of this. You guys can see right here, giant bull flag for KDA. This is going to absolutely smack to the upside within the next couple days. You guys can see giant bull flag here. That is going to break... Gonna break to the upside, guys. It's going to break. I can't. He said Chucky got baked. Oh, Chucky got baked, man. That's too funny. I can't do it. See, the problem is I can't look at the chat, man. I look at the chat, it's over. It's over. Okay. No, it's not a bull flag, man. But listen, I think it's come back down to 137. If I'm gonna be honest. Super duper. Super duper. Burn it before it lays eggs. He said burn it before it lays eggs. Oh, oh God, man. That's funny, bro. All right, so that's that. Over here. What indicators do I use? RSI, stock RSI, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 200 EMA. There you go, man. Oh, God. All right, anyways, we're going to hang out, watch BTC. We got 10 minutes until we get the daily close. Right now, the daily close, like we said, it's looking a little shady. You're below 28,924. Let's watch that very closely. I mean, you don't want to make a lower low in the daily close. So let's see what we do here. Your mom is so weird, bro. Why did you make that? And you're always in the chat saying your mom this, your mom that. That's too funny. The SOC RSI. Tony, stop bringing up the heat, man. I don't want to talk about the heat. Okay? I'm sick of the damn heat. I'm sick of the heat, man. Sick of it. All right, we got about 1,300 people in here. We got 494 likes. I'm bullish on bringing that up, man. I know everyone's salty right now. I know everyone's in the dumps and salty, but guys, there's no reason to be salty. There is zero reason to be salty. Okay, we are getting great buy opportunities, and if you're short in the market, you're getting great short opportunities. Whatever you're doing, okay? There's no reason to be salty. Just look at Java right now. Guys, we're going to mark where Jordan has to eat a sock. Let's put 20K. Okay, 20K right here. Okay, and we're going to put a text. Jordan has to eat a sock below 20K. Let's label it. Let's label it. I just learned labels in school yesterday. Let's do a label. Okay, Jordan has to eat sock. Here we go. Jordan has to eat sock. Right below 20K. It's going to happen. Guys, be happy. You get to see Jordan eat a sock. Come on. Come on. Be bullish. You guys are so sad in the chat. Come on. I was sad for months. Now look at me. It's going to bounce back. Okay? It's going to bounce back, Bulls. You're only going to be salty for a few more years. See ya. There we go. This can't be real. Jabba can't read. Oh, God, man. What show is better than this? This is not a show, man. This is my family. This is not a show. What do you think this is? All right. 28,775. So we chill. Dude, I feel like... How is it only 753? I feel like I've been talking for months. You prefer cotton socks? Oh, God. I was sad for months. It's not a show. I sell tickets to the neighbors every night. There you go, man. Hey, that's the real way to go. I'm waiting for Jabba to sign up to... Jesus. I'm a Lambo has turned into a Ford. Soon a bike. It's already a bike. It's already a bike. Let's be real. Let's be real. All right, what we can talk about, guys, on the weekly close, where we want to close this week, preferably where we want to close this week. Look at the weekly, man. That's brutal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight weekly candles. That's crazy, man. I think the highest we ever had was 6. We're witnessing history here on the Bitcoin weekly chart. Where we want to close is above this wick. We break this wick, that's really the last support we got. Right? I mean, there's really not much. You guys got green candles coming up. Got a little consolidation here, but that's really it. That's really it. So on the weekly close, let's hold. You know, it's kind of where we've been watching. 28.6, which is the summer lows. And we're sitting right there. It's going to be an interesting weekend. We'll see what happens on Sunday. Hope everyone's ready for an interesting Sunday close this weekend. We'll see. We'll see. All right, 28,763. I like to close the week at 55K. Me too, man. If we went up to 55K, let me ask you guys this question. If we went straight up to 55K in 1 week, what would you guys do? Would you guys take profits? Would you guys take everything out of the market? Or would you guys continue to hold? If you're not holding, would you FOMO? What would you guys do if Bitcoin went straight up to 55K in 1 week? This is a hypothetical. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, but just an interesting question. I'm just interested in what people say because everyone's saying that they cash out. Cash out. Cash out. Give me max DCA. Take profit. Cash out. Sell. If we went to 55K in a week, I'd go FOMO. Take profits. Sell and wait till halving. Sell. 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 Cash out. I'd sell 100 BTC. Nice, Drunk Bear. Same as always, keep buying and holding forever. Nice. So see, like most people would sell. But it's easy to say that now, guys. Can I kind of rewind this back a little bit?
Rant alert.
It's very, very, very easy to say you're going to sell now, right? Because the prices are low. But if Bitcoin pumped to 55K, I guarantee you 75% of you guys who say you're going to sell would not sell, okay? I guarantee it. It's just like when the prices are high, right? When Bitcoin was at 69K, I bet everyone in the chat would say that they would buy at 28K. Now, does everyone want to buy at 28K? No. That's why the prices are chilling right here. Okay? It's very easy to say now that you would sell. But I doubt that most of you guys would sell. I actually would say that most of you guys would FOMO. You know what I mean? If I'm going to be honest. It's very easy to say that now. Quick rant alert. Very true. The same thing that happened last time, no one sells. Very true. Very, very true. It's hard to sell, man. It is. It is. Buy high, sell high. Nice. Like everyone, like, and I'm guilty of it too. Like last summer, I was like, all right, I'm gonna take more profits the next way up. I didn't take as much profits as I wanted to, right? And I wish I could go back, but you can't, right? So, you know, it's very easy to say in the time that you'd sell. All right, here comes Bitcoin. We're getting, we're breaking that low. There it is. All right, so 28,678. Is this the time? Slowly breaking that wick low that we made earlier today. So let's see what happens here, man. Let's see what happens. It's quite beautiful, if you ask me.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
The problem with selling is taxes. Very true. Daniel said, I'd probably just take some profits, like $50 short it, or throw it at a shitcoin. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to the close. 2 minutes until the close. Let's see. Bathwater said above 48K bullish AF. I'll take any time frame of being bullish. We'll get there. We'll get there. I just can't. I can't imagine how fun it's going to be when the prices start going back up again, like on a consistent basis. Can you imagine how fun it's going to be? And we are going through. Can you just realize what we've been through the last? You know, can we just sit back and realize who is still here? I am so proud. I sound like a dad. I sound like a freaking dad. Even though most of you guys are older than me. I am so proud. I can't even be serious. I am so proud of everyone that's still here. Like, it has been a rough last 6 months, man. It's been rough. Like, Bitcoin's gotten trounced. Okay, altcoins have gotten destroyed. But everyone that's still here has stuck by. When most people, 90% of people that were in crypto 6 months ago, they're gone. Okay? But people have stuck around. I'm so proud of everyone that's still here, man. Gonna be the winners in the end. I know it doesn't seem like it right now. I know it seems like we're the losers. Okay? I know it seems like it feels like we're the freaking losers of the situation. But I'm telling you right now, everyone that left will not buy at the lows. It seems like they will. They will not buy at the lows. They will FOMO back in just like they did in November, just like they did in April. Okay? So don't get too hard on yourselves. The people that are still here will be the winners at some point. And the people who left will once again be the losers. Okay? So I'm so proud of everyone that's still here. Seriously. We've been through some carnage, man. Absolute carnage. It's crazy. It's awesome, though. It's awesome, man.
Rant alert.
Going through it together, bro. It is what it is. I bought it 100K. You already bought it 100K? There you go, Dan. We're here for the socks at LP. Nice. Rodney said you're only getting one more chance. Rodney, what do you... One more chance. Listen. I am still statistically, okay? I have statistically still been right. Okay? I'm normally a bull. Right now I'm a little bit of a bear, but I'm normally a bull. And based on statistically of when I started my channel, every coin that I talked about when I started my channel is higher than it was at that time. Okay? Even XRP is higher. So you know what, Rodney? That's what I have to say to you, Rodney. I'm just kidding. I love you, Rodney. You're not going anywhere, Rodney. You love me too much. All right, 28,805. We got the daily close. So daily close, we got that lower low on the daily close. Let's see what happens now, right? We wanted to get that close above 28.94, but we got that bearish engulfing candle, massive bearish engulfing candle. You engulfed actually the last one. You engulfed the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles in one candle. Fully engulfed it. Massive bearish engulfing. See if we get that continuation to the downside. Normally bearish engulfing candles have at least one follow-through candle. So let's see. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay? Or I guess tonight. We can see what happens tonight first. You can see. 10K God candle as we go into June. Nice. What's up, Drew? Why are you late today, man? I am very upset that Drew's late. Very, very upset that Mr. Durant is late. Okay? Very, very upset. Drew, why are you late? You can't be late to Jordan's stream. Shit, he was watching around the blockchain. I'm turning off Jordan's stream. I'm watching around the blockchain. I'm watching around the blockchain. Let's go see what BitBoy has to say today. Let's watch around the blockchain. Let's go see what he has to say. The biggest crypto channel on the interwebs. Now, guys, my sources continue to tell me that we will top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I repeat, within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I still stand by this prediction, and
We didn't top out
from this prediction. We will see Bitcoin top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. Okay, and then
Who told you that?
Black Swan event that will drop us down within 2 weeks of September 23rd.
That did not happen. What the hell?
The biggest channel in the interwebs. Now, my sources have told me that this bull market can now continue into the rest of this year. Can you ban that guy in the chat? Ban that guy.
No, don't ban me. Don't ban me.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't ban me.
My sources have told me
Shit.
that this bull market will continue to the end of this year, guys. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I've been in this space for years.
No, he banned me.
Okay?
Shit,
So,
he
the bull
banned
market's
me.
not even close to over. I'm going to tell you that right now.
Mom, I need a new account. Can you sign me up for a new account? TJ banned me. He banned me. What do you mean, no? I need to troll. Shit. Christ, he banned me. TJ, I'm the number one. Shit.
All right, Bob's having a bad night. He got banned. He officially got a ban from around the blockchain, bro. Banned.
How about a poll of how many
Oh,
are in
God.
profit and how many in loss? Love your broadcast. Thank you from UK Smile.
What's going on, Ashley? Ashley said, how about a poll of how many of us are in profit versus how many in a loss? Love your broadcast. Thank you from the UK. What's going on from the UK? There are a lot of people from the UK. I know DJ's from the UK. All right. So, what was the question? How about how a poll of how many of us are in profit versus in a loss? It's a good poll. Let's do it. Are you in? See, people aren't going to tell the truth with this, but are you in a profit or a loss in crypto at this moment? Okay, be honest with this poll, guys. Like, it's an anonymous poll. No one can see what you voted, so don't be afraid of your vote. Okay, it's an anonymous poll. Just click yes or no. Okay, let's try to be honest. I like these when they're honest polls. UK gang, don't be like the herd. Make that life-changing money. Nice. Fear and greed ads. Oh, I got you, man. Oh, look at BTC. Quick little move up here on the daily open. Boop, boop, right to the downside. Let's do the fear and greed ads, though. Let's do it. Let's refresh. Oh, man. That can't be right. At 13. So... oh, God. I don't know why this popped up, but we'll talk about this in a second. 13. Literally... yes or no? I always do yes or no on the freaking polls, bro. That's not a yes or no question. He said maybe. All right, let me copy this. Can I not copy it? Oh God! All right, I'm gonna redo the poll, guys. I apologize. Yes and no. I used to do that all the time. As the stupid polls, man. All right. He said okay. Yes for profit. All right. Are you in profit? Wait, are you in profit or loss on, or I should say, in crypto at the, someone said yes for profit. Are you in profit or loss in crypto at the moment? Okay, if I could type, that would be correct. I'm like Bob when it comes to typing right now. Profit, loss. Okay, there we go. We got Hero Wars. I don't know why this popped up. I haven't played a game. I've never played a game on this computer. and I've never searched a game on this computer. So I guess we got Hero Wars, and we still got Global Expansion, which kind of creeps me out. But yes, Global Expansion on as our other one. But 13. So how are you gonna tell me we went up today when Bitcoin had a massive red day? Okay, we went up. Okay, and the stock market had a big red day. How are you gonna tell me that fear is higher? You can't make this stuff up. You cannot make this stuff up, man. You really can't. You really can't. Just type loss or profit. It's not a loss to yourself. Okay, just doing right now. What is your portfolio? Be honest. Like, it's okay. It's okay. No one can see what you voted. Unrealized. Yes, unrealized. Okay, we know it's unrealized. We know. Nice poll, man. Nice. It wasn't my idea. It was not my idea. It was Ashley's idea. You will own nothing and be happy. It's all hot garbage. That's why we can't look at the Fear and Greed Index every day. We're in the same boat. Nice. Okay, so 28,851. Let's see what BTC does here. Got any bullish divergence? Slight bullish divergence. Slight bullish divergence. But I'm not going to count on the hourly bullish divergence to play out. 4 hour. You got nothing on the 4 hour. Diddly squat on the 4 hour. Brandon said, I've never seen this much negative sentiment in stocks and crypto in my entire life. Oh, I agree, man. I agree. And what it shows me is whenever a bottom is hit and you start getting some green in stocks and crypto, I think you're going to see massive FOMO back in, right? Because everyone and their mother selling stocks and crypto. Like, we've seen crypto sell off, but stocks have gotten hammered too. There's a lot of sideline money, right? I mean, the DXY is at levels we haven't seen in a long time. So there's a lot of sideline money out there. And when the markets start going back up, it's going to be a fun ride. It's going to be a fun ride. We don't know when it's going to go back up. That's obviously the question mark. But when it does, it's going to be a fun freaking ride, right? Profit because I'm gaining every day. Nice. I got you, Dan. I got you, man. Loss is crushing the pull. 80% in a loss. I mean, it makes sense. So I said most people got in 2021 or 2022, right? So it makes sense. And most people got in 2021. More than this, everyone gave up. Anyone buying now, or is everyone waiting? I don't know. Joe Biden's fault? Wait until people admit we are in a recession, like when people admit we are in a bear market. I think people already think we're in a recession, man. I mean, it's hard to argue that we're already not in one, right? How are we not in one? How are we already not in one? Tell me. Tell me in the chat. Like, I'm not a macro economist. There's probably smarter people in the chat than me. How are we not already in a recession? On George poll is 98% a loss. On George's poll, it's 98%. Well, you got to remember, I mean, you got to remember that when people watch George, I mean, they buy literally every single dip, right? Versus on my stream, I tell people to buy 20% dips. There's a big difference, right? Call in the whales. Wait for a 20K to break, okay? We're in a simulation. Recession started with the initial hike. Facts. We're already in one. We are in simulation that is inside another simulation. Bro, this chart already shows me that we're this everything. I don't want to turn this into a conspiracy theory stream, but everything that happens in the world is planned, man. I swear. Everything that happens in the world is planned. How can you tell me it's not, man? This chart right here, it could be a coincidence. But you can't tell me that this is a coincidence. You can't. You cannot tell me that this is a coincidence. Now, that's only if it stops right here. But if it stops right here, come on, man. Come on, bro. This is the inflation rate chart. You can't tell me. I'm not gonna start a conspiracy theory stream, but you get it. That chart proves it. Truth. All right. According to George's charts, say we bottom in. No, that doesn't mean we bottom. Like, guys, I don't want to say this chart means we bottomed. This just means that maybe inflation topped out, right? You could still see lower prices even if that's the case. This doesn't mean that crypto's bottomed, right? That's pretty dumb to think that. But that doesn't mean crypto bottomed. It just means that maybe inflation topped out, which we don't know yet, right? We still have to figure that out. It doesn't mean crypto's bottomed, though. But if the Fed backs off a little bit, maybe it does. I don't know. We don't know yet. We have to wait and see, right? We have to wait and see. It's one of those things like, unfortunately, the markets are right now controlled, which you could argue they shouldn't be, but they're controlled by, one guy. I love a nice bottom. Nice, Antonio. That was a nice comment, man. Going to George. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to look at the United States inflation rate chart and see how... Excuse me? I'm streaming. I'm bullish. Okay? We're going to look at the United States inflation rate chart and see how this means that crypto has bottomed and we are going to go up from here. We are going to go up from here. Okay? This totally means we hit the bottom. Guys, not many people are looking at this. This is not a coincidence. Crypto has bottomed. Okay? It's building a really good base. Not only is the inflation rate chart topped out here, but look at the base that Bitcoin's building right here. Guys, we have like 8 1-hour candles that's building a solid base here at 28,700. I know earlier today I said Bitcoin was building a solid base at 29,000, but now it's building a solid base at 28,000. Okay, so we're building a solid base for us to continue up from here, and we're just gonna keep building solid bases, guys. We're gonna continue up. Okay, everything's looking bullish, right? Fundamentals remain bullish. That's really it. Continue to DCA, continue to hodl, continue to watch the base being built, and that's really it, okay? All right, guys, we're going to do some Q&A now. We're going to do some Q&A. That's one of the dumbest questions I've ever seen. I'm not answering that. George, why are you always bullish even in times you shouldn't be? Because nothing has changed, man. Bitcoin goes up and to the right over time. I'm the only one that stays positive, okay? I'm the only one that stays positive while I continue to see all my subscribers get wrecked. I just tell you to continue to DCA into Luna. It's going to bounce back, all right? Luna Classic's going to be good, all right? Continue to DCA. And continue to stay positive, guys. George, why don't you just admit that we're in a bear market? Because we're not in a bear market, guys. We're in a bear trend. We are in a bear trend right now. We're not in a bear market. We are in a bear trend. All right, scrolling up. Okay, that's it. That's it. I'm not answering any of these questions. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. See ya. Bye. All right, there we go. Bear trend. When we gonna go up? I don't know. Gonna go. Oh, God. Carl made millions off Luna? Didn't Luna go to zero? I don't know. I haven't looked at Luna, really. Just keep buying Luna. All right, enough about Luna. It's just a joke. Have you sold in the last month? Have I sold anything in the last month? Well, technically, yes. I would say I traded. I sold altcoins and bought and basically switched them for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I don't know if you would say that's selling. It basically just transferring to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Basically, a lot of the altcoins that I don't believe in, and some scraps, moved them back over to Bitcoin and ETH. Basically, that's really it. But have I sold have I sold dollar wise? No, I haven't sold anything into fiat or sold anything into stablecoins. Only into Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it. Oh, look at crypto is down again. I mean, listen, it's there's nothing wrong with DCAing, man. Nothing wrong with DCAing. Zoom out. I agree what George says about a lot of things, man. He looks at it long term and just tells you to zoom out. But I mean, I disagree with a lot what he says at times, but I mean, he has the general right premise. DCA, hold for when the prices go back up. I agree with him with that, for sure. No, it's not trading. It's called consolidating. Perfect. There we go, Drew. Thank you, Drew. I couldn't think of the word, my man. Drew's always coming in clutch with the words. How'd the Celtics do? Right? If the bear was the Celtics, this is how the Celtics did. In the second half. We'll look at it one more time in case you didn't see. If the bear was the Celtics, this is how the Celtics did. Right in the nuts. Right in the freaking nuts. Let's see. I wonder how all those people that had their reserve cash in UST are feeling. Had to buy BTC, but now have nothing to buy more. Check Harry Potter Inu. I saw that Luna. Was it Luna Inu? Was it Luna Inu? Someone said Luna Inu was pumping today. I saw it on Twitter. Oh, it's back down. It's already back down. Okay, I guess it was. Maybe it wasn't today. Luna Inu, man. My nuts. What did this do? This did like 20x Luna Inu. I swear, man, the move is looking at controversy anywhere. Like, look at controversy anywhere and buy whatever the controversy was, Inu. That is the way to make money in a bear market, I swear. Will Smith Inu. Obviously, you got to take profits, but Will Smith Inu, Johnny Depp Inu, Luna Inu, anything that has controversy, just buy the controversy Inu. Boom, profit. That's it. That's literally it, man. Like that is literally the way to make money in the bear market right now. Whatever the next controversy is. I mean, I'm sure there's hold on, let me see. Guys, I just want to look at this. I'm curious where this is.
Looks like double
You
top
gotta
on
be
all
kidding me,
the
man.
inflation peaks and only a single top on current
Oh, this was 2017.
Go way higher after drawdown?
Look at this, man. It dumped now, but look at this, man. I mean, I'm not gonna say it because I don't know if I can say it on YouTube, but look at this, man. Right here. You guys can read it. Right when the war got announced, this thing went nuts, man. That's the move. Buy controversy, and that's the profit. That's the profit. Stumbledore said, looks like double tops on all... looks like double tops on all those inflation peaks, and only a single top on current peak. Maybe inflation is about to go way higher after drawdown. Could. It could. You said there's double tops on all the peaks. You're right. There is double tops on all the peaks. All right. Boop, down, boop. Boop, down, boop. Boop, down, boop. Boop, no down. I don't know. I mean, it could... there's always a difference. But if this breaks out, bop. I mean, we'll have to continue to watch it. Inu means dog. Harry Potter. Amber Turd Inu. You could be right, Stumbledore. Thank you for the super chat, though, my man. You could be right. Time will tell on that, my guy. Time will tell. We have no idea yet. Oh, man. What are you guys saying? Distract me with more dumb... Distract me. Okay. I don't know. Wait, is this... Who's this? Wait, guys. Can we play a game real quick? Can we play a game? Okay, guys, real quick. Can we play a game? All right, here's the game. I need your guys' help for this game. I'm gonna look really weird. I'm gonna put a filter of a unibrow on. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put a filter of a unibrow. Okay. I want to see. Don't mention the unibrow. Okay. Don't mention the unibrow. I'm gonna put the unibrow on. Don't mention it in the chat. I want to see what new people say when they come in. Okay. But I need your guys' help with this. Do not mention the unibrow. Okay. I'm gonna give the chat like 2 minutes. Do not mention the unibrow. Okay. I want to see what the new people say when they come in. All right. And I need you guys to, when I tell you to, smack the like button when I tell you to. That's going to get new people in. All right? I want to see what they say. Okay? I want to see what they say. I'm curious. What else is new? All right, 2 minutes. Don't mention it. Don't mention it.
Thanks, Jordan, for spreading some positivity in these tough times.
Best idea ever? Dude, I have so much fun with that stuff. Because I like when I get trolled in the chat. It's fun. Got you? All right, cool. No one mentioned it. I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes. I'm gonna give it 2 minutes, okay? Let's see. All right, let's continue to talk about Bitcoin, and then we'll continue on. Leave your hat off. Yeah, I gotta leave the hat off. All right, here we go. Ready? Don't mention anything, guys. Here we go. All right, smack the like button right now. Smack it so we get new people in here. Smack it. Okay, smack it. Ernie. All right, smack the like button so we get new people in here. I can't look at the chat. Hey, hold on. I gotta move the chat over here. I can't look at it while I do this. Okay. Smack it. Smack it. All right. Let's continue. All right. So let's look at some altcoins. So we're waiting on Bitcoin's next move, right? We got some maybe possible bullish divergence here on the close. Like, could that get a slight move up? A slight move up here for Bitcoin? Maybe we get a slight move up here. And maybe back up to the 20 EMA again before we continue down. But worst case, I still think we're going to 25K, guys. I still think we're going to 25K. Guys, you can't laugh. That ruins the whole thing. All right. I still think we're going to 25K, though. I still think we're going there, so we'll find out what happens next. All right, so let's look at some alts. You know, they're trying to bounce back a little bit here. Let's see what we got here. Let's look at Algo. I mean, most of the alts are going to look the same, guys. I still think most alts are going to come back down and test their wicks. So alts, yeah. I still think Algo is coming down too. Like, if we zoom in on Algo on the 4-hour time frame, let's see what we got going on here. So Algo is let's take a look. So you had sort of a it was like kind of like an ascending triangle pattern here. You know, that did break to the downside, right? You had horizontal resistance, you have upsloping support. Did break to the downside. Like, sometimes these bullish patterns can actually break down to the downside. You know, so I mean, it is what it is. It's a pretty big move to the downside. Let's look at the measure move here. I'm curious what Algo's measure move is. It's probably gonna just be back out on the lows. Yeah, it's right back down to the lows. Like, I still think you're coming back down to take this wick at 35 cents from Mr. Algorand, right? At the end of the day, 35 cents. What are all you guys in the chat laughing at, man? What are you laughing at? Oh, God. Missed people leaving. Come on, you guys have no fun, man. You guys have no fun. No fun. All right, so what you're saying is you would. I think that's kind of messed up. So what you're saying is you guys would not watch someone who looked like this. That's kind of messed up. That's messed up. You'd watch BitBoy, but not someone who looks like this. That's kind of messed up, man. And I think that's really messed up. Carlos Boozer. It does look like Carlos Boozer. Come on, man. That's you're doing Carlos Boozer bad. You're doing bad on Carlos Boozer, man. It does look like Carlos Boozer. Holy shit. Dude. That's bad. That's bad. You ignore my chat? I bet there's chicks lurking who are actually wet. Maybe. Parth. Oh no, hold up. Parth, what's going on, Parth? Been watching you since last summer. It's 5:30 a.m. in Mumbai, but it's all worth it. Thanks, Joy, for spreading some positivity in these rough times. That's what I try to do, man. Listen, everyone knows the charts look ugly, so I mean, we gotta have some fun with it. I mean, anyone, a monkey could tell you that we're going lower, right? I mean, it is what it is. So I mean, we might as well have fun with it. Monkey. Michael said, "Can you look at Uniswap?" Sure, I can, Mike. Just for you, only for you, Mike. Only for you, I look at Uniswap. Oh, I see what you're doing here. Uniswap. You don't actually want to look at Uniswap. It's a joke. I get it. That's someone's dad you wouldn't watch. Facts. All right. I don't know if you actually want to look at Uniswap. I get the joke. I get the joke, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Uniswap. Okay. I mean, it's same thing for all the alts. Bada bing, bada boom. You had sort of a.
That's somebody's dad. You wouldn't watch confused face crying.
But yeah, I mean, it's sort of the same thing, right? Ascending triangle broke to the downside. And the target's going to be back down. Probably not all the way back down to the lows, but you're probably going to be somewhere down the lower, right? $4.07. You're probably coming to take that wick. Probably coming to take that wick at some point. It might happen right now, but at some point, I think you're going to come back down and take that wick. Dead. Let's see. Jordan lost 20% with this joke. Hey, I thought it was a good joke, man. I thought it was a good joke, but it is what it is. Where's the actual bald man? That's somebody's. Who is this? Oh God, Pencil Neck. I'm not saying that name. Of course, your name's Pencil Neck. I'm not reading that, my friend. But I couldn't tell you. Oh God, Andrew, you're not wrong, my friend. You're not wrong, my friend. Let's look at this poll though. So, are you in profit or loss in crypto at the moment? Okay. 80% of people are in a loss. That's crazy. Actually, it's not crazy. Yeah, it's probably. I would probably thought it would have been higher, to be honest. Take that wick. Everyone still watches when it's someone's daughter. True, man. Wait, how was I messing with dads? What? How was a unibrow? What? Can someone explain to me? Did I miss something here? Did I miss something here? You need to do it at the beginning of the show? Facts.
Who's this imposter? Where's the usual baldy eyebrow presenter?
Who's this imposter? Who's this imposter? 1% undecided. Dan, what are you doing, man? It is? I don't know what that is. Carlos Boozer. That still gets me, man. Carlos Boozer. That's too funny, man. That is way too funny to me. I can't get over that. What is it? 833. Crypto Savvy calling for 3K. JD said, "Who is this clown?" Hey, you're watching me, man. You're watching me, man. But yes, I am a clown. But I'm happy to be a clown. Like I've always said, I'd rather be a clown than someone that sits here and goes, okay, wow. So we have, oh my gosh, look at the RSI. So the stock RSI crashed to the downside. That means that we are going lower. Okay, so let's go look at the 4-hour time frame. The MACD looks like it's switching lower, guys. I think this could break down to the downside. Yeah, based on my PhD, I think that, you know, we could be going into a bear market here, and we could be continuing the bear trend. Yeah, I'm a technical analyst, and you know, I know exactly where the market's going. Based on my TA, we're in a giant bear flag, and I do think we're going back down to the downside. Let's go look at Market Cipher here. The money flow did switch back into negative. So that means that we have a high chance of going back to the downside. But if we can break this side, that means we're going back to the upside. So we basically can go up or down here. No one really knows, man. No one really knows what we're going to do next. So, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So, yeah, we could go up or down. I have no idea. Someone's in my ears. There you go, man. That's about 90% of the channels out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna call the stream here. It's 8:34. You know, let's new viewers already left. Stop. Exactly, man. That's why I don't do that. That's why I don't do it like that. Some real TA. You don't want real TA, man. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Okay. I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. We have a new intro coming tomorrow. I liked it. You know, I liked it. I have fun doing that stuff, so I liked it. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Be there. And maybe we'll see Bitcoin have a little bit of a... we're all kind of waiting for a red day, so let's see what happens. Make sure you guys all have a fantastic night, okay? All have a fantastic night. All you traders out there, I hope you kill it. All you hodlers, stay strong. We'll get through this, and we'll come out the other side, all right? All you shorters, keep shorting. Keep shorting. I want the prices to go lower, so keep shorting, my friends. Keep shorting the market. All right? Catch you guys later. Have a great, great, great night. Seriously. Seriously. Have a great night, guys. Adios. Peace.